Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new filming space. So today I wanted to share with you an actual unboxing of my recent Shoppers Drug Mart order. So this is just a little beauty haul. I have one more order coming from Walmart this week with some beauty products in it, nothing crazy. I've been good. I haven't been wearing a ton of makeup. And when it comes to makeup and beauty products, I've really tried to shop my stash and love what I have. So I did make a few little cheeky purchases. The first one being 2 boxes of the Biore Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. I love these. Nothing kind of softens my nose like it. I'll use the forehead ones too sometimes, but those are the best, and the Ultra Deep Cleansing are absolutely amazing. They are a little bit pricey actually, so I got them on sale and there were bonus points at Shoppers as well, so that is so awesome. I'm actually not used to my orders coming in a bubble mailer from them. Actually, this is not recyclable, by the way, so I do prefer the boxes from them, but no big deal. So I made the order because there were 2 RMS products that I really wanted to try. Before that, I got some samples. I got these 3 amazing options here. We have the Black Reserve Cardamom and Cedarwood Body and Hair Cleanser. This is from Jack Black. This is also a pretty generous sample, so this is perfect to pop into your bag. I'll give this to my fiance. He can use it during travel, whenever that happens. And I also got an IT Cosmetics CC Cream in medium, which is great. These are also really good for traveling. Origins Ginseng Into the Glow Brightening Serum. So this will be nice to try. I really love their illuminating tinted moisturizer. Okay, one of my favorite stocking stuffers that I can't wait to rip into right now is the Lotus Aroma Balsam Fir Essential Oil. So I have a mini balsam tree downstairs, balsam fir. I'll put a picture of it in right now, and we love it. We named him Frederick. He was a pretty penny from the Brickworks in Toronto, but we love him to bits, and he does not smell very much, so I'm hoping to put this into my diffuser. Oh wow. Oh yes, that is tree. This would be really good with some orange. Very festive, love it. So that is the balsam fir. It's almost like it has the essence of like eucalyptus, but not as like leafy. Go figure. Okay, so 2 more things in my order here. RMS. Okay, so I did get samples of these from my friend Alana. And they worked. So I got 2 of their cream products. Such nice packaging, guys. I haven't bought like a luxury beauty item in so long. Oh geez, they know. They gave me another sample. Oh, that's cool, of their Living Luminizer. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is their Buriti Bronzer. This is so pigmented. It is really dark, but it blends out flawlessly. I had it in one of those little sample squeeze packets, and I swear, like, I still have a ton left, so that is gorgeous. Their concealer is also beautiful. I've just had other concealers to use up, but I might need to get their Uncover Up, it's called. So next, I got their Peach Luminizer. And this is actually a great highlighter for dark skin, but I use it as a blush, essentially, and it's like a blush highlight combo. And paired with that bronzer, it's perfect, and I find that they wear down really nicely with the mask, because the mask is always rubbing, and I find those 2 I'll put on my foundation and then these 2 cream products and set it all with a powder, and it stays throughout the day but does kind of wear off very evenly. I'm finding with my blush, it gets quite patchy with the masks, so this like perfect peachy shade is so pretty and natural. I am just so excited to dip into these. So that was my order. I actually redeemed points. So I redeemed 70,000 points and got $100 off. So I pretty much got this order for free, which was lovely. A little Christmas shopping to me, and I redeemed some of my points that I've been stashing up. Surprise! I am not done yet. I'm back with a second round of haul, and about a month later. So happy new year, and let me just show you some of the fabulousness that's in this box. I had mentioned a Walmart order before, so the few things I picked up included 2 of the Olay daily moisturizers that just come in like the white and black bottle. I got one for my grandmother and one of the SPF ones. It's like active hydration moisturizer for like $9. So I really want to try that. I might actually give it to my sister to try out. But in addition, I got 3 bottles of my Frieda Go Blonder. This stuff keeps my hair nice and fresh. I just kind of use it on my scalp area, mostly around the roots, and you'll probably see, comparing this clip to the previous one, that my roots are a lot lighter. So I have this stuff to thank. It's just like a very, very gentle, lightening kind of bleach-based spray. And I also got some new liquid liners. I just love the look of a sharp black liquid liner, and my favorite one is the Maybelline Gigi Hadid liquid eyeliner. So this is my original one. I have another one in backup. It is just a foam tip, or I guess, yeah, felt tip marker type style. It is so easy. This one lasted forever. I just love it. I love how it looks too. So really cute, and I found that on walmart.ca. I also tried their brush tip eyeliner, and it comes in a gorgeous like hexagonal shaped wand here. It has a brush tip that's a little bit smaller, and this one works really well too. I don't think it's as easy as the other one, but it's a really nice alternative. Someone said that this one actually runs or smudges. I haven't noticed that. I usually just stick to a pretty fine line anyways. And this is the Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. So really pretty, and guys, for like $8, I will never buy like a $20, $30 liner again. Those are really good. Okay, so getting into the shoppers portion, this is my second piece to the puzzle, and it also came in the recyclable box, so kudos to them. I did get my samples, so we have a John Varvatos Eau de Toilette. I thought it was so cute that one of my samples wasn't available, and they put a little card saying we ran out of one of them, but here's something else for you, which, as if Sephora would have done that. I mean, it has happened where they've replaced my samples that weren't available, but usually they've just forgotten samples altogether in my recent orders from Sephora, so that is a huge benefit. So I got Mineral 89, which is great. I actually have my full size right here. So that's a great serum for all skin types, just hyaluronic acid. And then the My Clarins Recharge Night Mask. I actually don't think I've tried this one, and I'm excited to use this maybe after one of the next things I'm showing you, which are charcoal masks. I love multi-masking, so something like one of these is perfect for 2 times a week, okay? I'm saying that because I have never done twice weekly masking, and I need to start doing it. So I got the Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Charcoal Mask. This is my OG, you guys, and I lost my tube of this. I think it might be done actually, but this is literally the best charcoal mask in the world. I've been getting a lot of blackheads actually, chin, nose, and forehead. So talk about T-zone. So I actually took this out and used it last night. It just comes in a great tube format, and I reviewed it on my blog, so I'll put that link below. And I'm trying something new. This is the Honest Beauty 3-in-1 Detox Mud Mask. Okay, so I actually should compare the ingredients between these two. This one is charcoal with mineral clays to soak up oil. So again, clay and charcoal. This one has kaolin clay, bentonite, I believe it has, yeah, charcoal powder, honey. This might be a dupe for a mask that I'm just dying to try, the Kypris like deep cleansing mud mask. And this actually came up as like a potential dupe. Honest Beauty is great. It's around $10 less than the Clinique one, I think. So this could be a great dupe. Both for that and for this Kypris one that is like $100. I just love this packaging. It actually reminds me of Indeed Labs. So how pretty with the really nice bright colors and just simple kind of white packaging. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. I don't think Indeed Labs has a clearing mask now that I think about it. I also have the salicylic acid mask from The Ordinary, which I've been trying. That made my skin really sting, so I don't think I love it, but I'm gonna try this out. I'll let you guys know, and I will be doing masking twice a week. And I really hope that's gonna help the pore situation. Final product. This is such a successful order, you guys. The Mighty Patch from Hero Cosmetics. I got the 72 pack, which I think was like $27 or something, because the 30 pack was sold out, but I'm thrilled because these are so good. I tried the Next Care ones before. They sucked. They didn't really stick to my skin well at all. They looked very similar, but these ones look so much better. I put it on a blemish that I have on my cheek here, and it literally like stuck to the skin. I could feel the texture of the blemish from under the patch. After a little while of keeping it on, it became like one with my skin. Not only that, but it almost like ripped off some of my skin when I took it off, because I cleaned the area really thoroughly. So there was no oil or skincare on underneath the patch, because the other ones I had would not stick on skin that was anything but like bone dry. So clearly this one can go over maybe just a light layer of serum or something. But in general, it's best to apply these to dry skin. And boy, did it absorb a lot of oil. It's gross. It's like a white circle of oil in the clear patch when you remove it, and it works so well. I need to use these all the time, and then you go through a pack and start a new one, because they definitely don't stay forever. It says you have until 2023 to use them up, so that's great. So let me know if you've done any shopping at Shoppers lately. Their website is starting to carry both luxury products. These are actually like green beauty clean products, which is nice. Just have to make sure you use them up, because I find the green beauty products can go rancid faster. But yeah, they have amazing beauty stuff, but also some essentials, which is so good if you need you know, like some face wash from lower end brands and a bunch of other pharmacy type products. They have a great selection. So thank you guys for watching. Comment below what you want to see next from me, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!